Hello guys, in this video I will show you exactly how to fix this error. Nodemon, or in fact any other package, cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system, especially each time you try to use nodemon to start or refresh the server. First of all, you need to make sure you have already installed nodemon using npm install nodemon. If you have not, you should do this. npm install nodemon, and you hit enter. So that will install it in your system. Next, you need to head over right down here to the search bar, and you want to type Windows PowerShell. Okay, here's Windows PowerShell. You right click on it, click on Run as Administrator, and then you click on Yes in the pop-up window. It will bring you here. So the next thing you do is to write out this and copy it. You copy this get execution policy and come and paste it here and hit enter. So the purpose of this is to know the exact status of your policy. And this policy is restricted by default. It means to protect the system against unwanted scripts. Okay, now we want to reset it. And that will be to the unrestricted mode. So I copy this. I made this not to have any typo error. So I come in here and paste it. Set execution policy unrestricted. I hit enter. And finally, I'll say Y. That is yes to all. And enter. That's all. So I'll close this. Now I close my VS Code and start it again. So I do Ctrl C and it brings me back here. So I'll change directory back to my backend folder where I'm working. I hit enter and I'll do nodemon index.js and hit enter. Finally, it worked. Backend server is running. So any other amendments I make now, I'll see that nodemon will be effective. For example, I'll go up here, instead of saying backend server is running, let me add a word, and that will be successfully. So you see, as I'm typing, I'm already on autosave. So every word I type is saved immediately, and nodemon is very busy in the background, refreshing the server after each change. So that's it, guys. I also recommend you watch above video to see how to work with nodemon, Express.js, and Mongoose to connect to your MongoDB cloud database without ever having to download MongoDB locally in your computer. I will see you there. Thanks for watching.